I wanted to take a minute and invite you to our roofing showroom. I've been in this business since 1993, and I've learned through those decades there's a lot to know about roofing, and there's so many products, there's so many variants of roofs out there. How do you possibly know what the right decision to make is for your property? That's why we built this showroom. So you can come in and you don't have to take our word for it. You don't have to filter through just all the different stuff that's out there on the internet. You can come in and for yourself experience the different components that build your roof system and are there to protect you. So we wanted to sincerely invite you to come in, take the time that you need, whether it's as quick as a 10-15 minute visit, or you want to spend an hour or so. Come in and have a consultation with our team, and we can help guide you through what roof decision is going to be best for you. And when you're in our showroom, you're going to be able to see all the different components that make up the various systems that you're interested in. Everything from your underlayments, to your eave metal choices, your shingle choices, your ventilation choices, your flashings, your low slope options. And if you're interested in metal roof systems, we've got metal roof systems from our exposed fastener, standing seam, all the way to our stone-coated steel roofs, which look like beautiful shingle roofs or shake roofs or tile roofs. And in our conference room at the showroom, we've got refreshments on hand so you can relax. Grab a coffee, grab a water of your choice, and then sit down and look at your detailed proposal where we've got all the roof system options. And on the screen, you're actually going to have a 3D model of your home where you can try on the different roofs, even different exterior options, window options that may be best suited for your property. As I remember through the years of all the different clients that have come through the showroom and we've helped make a wise roofing decision, there's one I remember in particular. She told us toward the end of the time we'd spent together, she said, I really didn't want to come to the showroom. She said, I was thinking, why do I need to come to a roofing showroom? And she confessed, her husband actually said, no, let's go, let's learn what we can. And she looked at us sincerely and she said, I had no idea all the things there were to learn. And she said, I'm so glad that I came and spent the time with you. We hope you'll have that same experience. And on behalf of our team at True Force Roofing, we look forward to serving you.